What's up, guys? My name is Jenny. I'm a registered dietitian, and today we are going to be making a high-protein mac and cheese.
Nice.
Be sure to like and subscribe and comment below any recipes that you want to see. Now let's get cooking. So the first thing that we're going to do is add the pasta to a boiling pot of water. We used Barilla pasta. You can use any type of brand that you like. Barilla, the Banza brand, they're gonna have some high protein options. While that is cooking, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna add our ground chicken, our garlic, and our onions to this hot skillet. All right, now we're gonna let this cook. Stir this nice up together. So while that's cooking, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna mix up some Greek yogurt and some Parmesan cheese. All right, so mix this up, and this is something we're gonna go ahead and add to the chicken once it's cooked. See if it's ready. Okay, we are gonna go ahead and drain this pasta. Okay, now that we have the pasta in there and drained, we are going to go ahead and add the hot buffalo sauce and the ranch seasoning. Now, the chicken is all cooked, so there's no pink in here, so that means we are ready for this buffalo sauce and ranch seasoning. Okay, mix that all up. So grab your bowl from before. We're gonna add the pasta to that pot. We're gonna go ahead and actually grab our chicken from over here and add that to the pasta. Now we're gonna add the Greek yogurt mixture. Stir that up. Once that's all stirred, then we add the cheese to the mac and have our mac and cheese. Made my bowl with my favorite toppings, y'all. This looks amazing. Now you can add whatever toppings that you want. We're gonna stick the macros down below without the toppings included. I hope you guys enjoyed this buffalo chicken mac and cheese. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.